Right, question 16. The number 10 is cut from a rectangular piece of paper. The dimensions of the design are shown below. First part, A. Find the length and width of the rectangular piece of paper. Right, well, let's do the length. The length is fairly easy because we have 9 here and we have 25 here. So we can say that the length is 9 plus 25, which is 34 centimeters. My eyes go directly to the left side here, but we're missing a gap here. So then we realise that, the circle is the entire width of the rectangle. So if we know the diameter of the circle, then we know the width of the rectangle. And the diameter of the circle, well, the radius of the circle is 6 plus 3, which is 9. So we have 9, we have 9. So the width is equal to 18 centimeters. So part B, find the sum of the areas of the two cutout digits 1 and 0 correct to one decimal place. Well, let's do the 0 first because that's the easy one. So we have a large circle and we're going to subtract the small circle, and that will be the area of that. So let's do the O. So we have the large circle area equals pi times the radius is 9 all the way across, 9 squared, and we're going to minus from that the small circle radius 6, pi times 6 squared. Now if we do that on the calculator, we've got pi times 9 squared. Well, let's put in a times 9 squared minus pi times 6 squared. Forgot the times again. Times 6 squared equals 45 pi. Let's, okay, 45 pi, and let's calculate that because it's asking us to, and it's 141.4. 141.4 centimeters squared. Now let's work out the area of the 1. So let's break it into some smaller shapes. Let's work out the area of the bottom rectangle, work out the area of this middle rectangle here, and then we'll take this shape here, which is essentially a square, but then we'll cut out a triangle here. So I'll do it in a few parts. So this is the 1. So the bottom area, we'll call it A1, A2, and A3. So area 1, very simply, is 9 by 3, which is 27. Area 2 is, we have a width of 3, we need this length here. We know the entire length is 18. We're minusing 3, minusing 3, minusing 3, so that has to be 9 there. So we're going to do 9 times 3 again, which is 27. Area 3. Area 3 is this square, which is 6 by 6. However, we're minusing this little triangle up in the corner, which is base and height of 3. So we're going to minus 3 times 3 divided by 2, which gives us, where's the 7 there, 36 minus 4.5, which is 31.5 centimeters squared. So the 1 area is 27 plus 27 plus 31.5, 54, 85.5 centimeters squared. So the sum of the areas, so if we add 85.5 for the 1 plus 141.4 for the 0, and our answer is, let's quickly do it, 8.35.5 plus 141.4 equals 226.9 centimeters squared. Alright, last part, it says find the area of the paper remaining after the digits have been removed. Include the center of the O in your answer. Well, the total area of the rectangle is 18 times 34, which equals 18 times 34 equals 612 centimeters squared. The paper left over is going to be 612 minus 226.9 equals 612 minus 226.9 equals 385.1. 385.1 centimeters squared.